Hey guys, so I know that spring is here and summer is going to quickly follow behind it. So for today's video, I just bring you my beach day go-to makeup, hair, and outfit. So I hope that you guys really do enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So these are just my must-have beauty products whenever I go to the beach. To start my makeup look off, I just apply this Mary Kay sunscreen just to have that extra protection on your skin, because you really want to make sure you try and protect your skin from the sun. Next, I'm just going to take this BB cream from Maybelline, which is perfect for the beach because it gives you that light coverage that you want, but while providing that extra SPF for your skin. Then just to set my BB cream, I'm just applying this matte powder from Maybelline. Now for your eyes, I don't really do a whole lot for my eyes when I go to the beach, but I do like to apply a little bit of waterproof mascara. I'm just using the Lash Length Waterproof from Mary Kay. Now your lips are just as important to protect, so I just take my Mary Kay lip protector, which has sunscreen in it as well, and I just apply that to my lips. And then to give myself a little bit of extra color, I'm just going to take this lip crown from Pop, just to have that light pink of color. So for my hair, I don't really do a whole lot to it, but I always have a large tooth comb just to make sure I can comb out any tangles that is in my hair from the wind. Then to help protect my hair, I add this L'Oreal Color Vibrancy Dual Heat Protect Spray, and I just apply it all over my hair and then I brush it out. So my go-to outfit for the beach is anything comfortable. I usually like to wear a tank top and shorts. So I'm just wearing this cotton tank top that says New York, Brooklyn on it, which I got from Charlotte Russe. It's just super bright and vibrant pink. And then I just paired it with these high-waisted shorts that are from American Eagle. It's all because of you. Something that I gotta do with both on. And of course you have to have your comfy sandals, so I'm just wearing my brown and pink sandals from American Eagle. Something that I gotta do with both on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time. It's all because of you.